Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In the following tutorial, you'll learn how to remove the perspective grid in Illustrator using 3 different methods. So make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information you find it in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. Method 1. Make sure that the perspective grid tool is active, and focus on the round icon in the top left corner. Hover your cursor over the little X button, and click it to hide your perspective grid. Method 2. For remove the perspective grid tool, you can press the Escape key to quickly remove the perspective grid in Illustrator. Method 3. Go to View, select Perspective Grid, and select Hide Grid to get rid of the perspective grid. Alternatively, you can use the Shift-Control-I keyboard shortcut to quickly get rid of the perspective grid in Illustrator. You can also use this keyboard shortcut to show the perspective grid. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial, and you can apply these techniques in your future projects. Thank you.